then we just put it in on position and it should work. Once we press the trigger, and hello and welcome to another video where we work on our truck. Sometimes we're successful, sometimes we're not. So in today's video I got some more stuff for my truck that I wanted to get. So I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up a power wash and I picked up the electric sander. So that's what we're gonna try to use today. I already did this kind of video before where I washed the car from the bucket and then I tried to polish it by hand, but that's a big truck and it takes a lot of time to do that. So hopefully all of this stuff works and we're gonna try that. I also picked up this polishing pot and this one for a shine finish, I guess, but that's not gonna happen right now. First we're actually gonna open this up and we're gonna try to wash it. We're gonna try to see if this power wash any good. So as you can see, this is a brand new unit. I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't used it yet, so that's gonna be a first time for me as well as you guys watching this unit in action. All right, take it out. Hopefully nothing is broken and nothing is missing. Got the manual. I have the very little foam can. Maybe I need to get a bigger one. So right here we have the something, this and this I guess a handle, and here's the unit itself. And the weather is actually getting better. It was raining for the past almost 3 days straight, but I feel like today is a good day to wash the truck. And okay, the unit is pretty much assembled. It comes with very nice long power cord which has a GFI at the end that I have running all the way to my outlet over there. That should be long enough. You don't even need the extension. And now this, for the water to come out, you're actually just gonna connect it over here. Just push it all the way in and then just screw this in place. And water hose itself is pretty long as well. It's 20 feet long, so that's pretty good. That should be enough to almost work all the way around the truck without the need to move the unit anywhere around. You have enough room to wash it from all the sides. Now the gun itself, you just push it all the way in there and lock it. That's it. Now the nozzle goes in here, push it in and twist it, and that's it. This is all done. Now before connecting the water from the house to your unit, you should let it run for a few minutes just to make sure all the debris are out, and then we're just gonna screw it in the back over here, and that's it. The unit is pretty much ready to use. Now we're just gonna go open up the water, connect it to the power, and let's see how it works. And okay, then we just put it in on position and it should work. Once we press the trigger, and now we turn it into on position, and it's gonna turn on and off automatically as we're using the trigger. And that's how it's power washed, and it has different spray patterns. That looks pretty good to me. I think that was pretty good. Just gonna wet it all up, and then we're gonna apply the soap. And with the unit over there I have no problem walking around all the truck, so that works pretty good. And now we're gonna apply some soap in here. For that we're just gonna remove this nozzle. So now I'm just gonna add some soap in this can. I'm gonna put a lot of it. Now we're gonna add a little bit of water in there. Alright, now close this up, attach to the gun. Alright, let's see how this is gonna work now. Yeah, I think I need to invest in a better soap can. There we go. Now we're talking. But I definitely need to invest in a better soap can. Or maybe better soap as well. Okay, let's add more soap. Now we're gonna remove this little can, reattach just a regular water hose, and now we're just gonna simply wash it with water. And alright, it's all washed. So far I'm pretty happy with this unit. The only thing is I need to change this little can. I don't think that's a great. I'm probably gonna buy something from Amazon, which is hopefully gonna be slightly better. So now I'm just gonna wipe down the truck with a dry towel, and then we're gonna apply the polish. So last year I polished the truck by hand, and that was quite a workout. So today we're gonna try this. I picked up this at Harbor Freight. It was pretty cheap. I also picked up this one, the applying pad, I guess that's what you might call it. So we're gonna put this on that, and we're gonna use Meguiar's liquid wax, and yeah, let's see how that's gonna work out. Alright, so now we're just gonna put this 7-inch pad in place over here, like so. Hopefully it's somewhat in the middle. Has a lot of debris in it. Wow, I didn't expect it to be that too much debris in there. So I'm actually not gonna use this pad because for some reason, maybe I bought the wrong one, but it just throws a lot of little pieces of I don't know, of itself, of the pad. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna take one of the little pads that I used to use by hand, just apply it on one part, just rub it in, and then I'm gonna use this to buff it out. So this is a new plan. Hopefully it works. And okay, now I'm just gonna apply this liquid wax and just polish it with that yellow sander. And probably some parts I'm gonna still polish by hand, but the majority of it I'm gonna try to use that, and we'll see how it's gonna come out. So as you can see, I'm doing it by hand now. For some reason, maybe I don't know how to use it or something, but I don't really like how that polisher works. And for this truck, I don't think I even need it. So most likely I'm just gonna return that. I'm pretty happy with the power wash, but that unit, I'm just gonna return it. And I'm just gonna do it by hand, because in a lot of places over here I feel like it's better to do by hand. Yes, it might take a little longer, but I'd rather do it by hand. So there we go, something unexpected, something new as always. So I'm just gonna continue polishing it and then wipe it all down, and there we go. Then I'm gonna clean the windows, the mirrors, and that's it. There we go, it's all nice and clean and polished. I think it came out pretty good. I cleaned the windows as well, but at the end I ran out of the Windex. So anyways, I think it's pretty good. I mean, it's not intended to be for a car show or anything, but it's nice and clean for now. So now we can go and make it all dirty again. So what did we learn? That this is actually pretty good. I really like this, except that I need to change this for something better. But other than that, I like how it worked. But this, I don't really like it. In the end, I just prefer to polish it by hand. So all of this I'm just gonna return. It works fine, no problem, but I just didn't like it. So there you go, guys. The truck is nice and clean. It's been washed, polished, and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And on this note, until next time, everybody, bye.